What if I told you that one of the most overlooked investment strategies could be the very thing that secures your retirement? Today, I'm going to show you how smart retirees are using fixed-rate investments to get predictable returns in an unpredictable world, and how one decision changed everything for a man named Jerry from Sarasota, Florida. But first, have you seen the headlines? Fed signals no rate cuts until later this year. Market volatility at its highest since 2022. Retirement confidence hits 15-year low. This isn't just noise, it's a warning, and retirees across the country are asking the same question. How do I protect my retirement income when everything feels like it's up in the air? That's where fixed-rate investments come in. Let me explain. These investments, things like fixed annuities, CDs, or even certain bonds, offer one thing that the stock market can't: certainty. You know exactly what you're going to get and when. That means you can finally stop checking the market every morning and start living the retirement you earned. Jerry knew this too well. After retiring from his 35-year career as a civil engineer, he had a decent-sized IRA, about $610,000, but between inflation and market swings, he was losing sleep. He didn't want to gamble what he'd spent decades building, so he did something smart. Jerry took a portion of his IRA, around $275,000, and rolled it into a Gold IRA, locking into a stable, fixed-rate product that provided consistent growth with zero exposure to Wall Street volatility. Today, he's sleeping easy. His income is predictable, his nest egg is secure, and his legacy is protected. And here's the kicker. That peace of mind started with one free thing: a Gold IRA guide and a no-pressure one-on-one educational call. If you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k and you're concerned about inflation, taxes, or just outliving your money, you owe it to yourself to get this guide. There are no gimmicks, no free silver traps, and no pushy salespeople, just real education to help you make a smart decision. Look, you've worked hard. You built your savings with grit and discipline. Now it's time to make sure that money works just as hard for you and keeps working for your family when you're gone. So here's what to do. Tap the link below, get your free Gold IRA guide, and book your quick, no-obligation call. It could be the turning point for your retirement, just like it was for Jerry. Remember, you can't control the market, but you can control your income, and it all starts right now.